guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna start off the video by just saying my nephew surprised me. Not only did he cut his hair, he's been acting really bad because, do you like Mustangs or Corvettes better?
If you like Mustangs, you can be my uncle.
Wow. So because I have a Corvette, I can't be your uncle? What kind of car do you want?
You get a Mustang and I get a Mustang.
No. So earlier, I'm gonna put the video here. Sorry if it's like portion weird, but I asked him what kind of car he want. He said he want a blue Mustang. I said no. And then I said, what about a Corvette? He's like, nah, I hate Mustang. I mean Corvettes. I want a Corvette. I don't want a Mustang.
I hate Corvettes.
Oh, you don't go downs and Summit. Saturday is finally everything's happening to the car. I'm putting the headers, the X pipe, and the E85 on. Finally got everything situated with the apartment, so finally decided I can start spending money back on the car. You were just talking while I'm talking, huh? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the barber shop. I'll see you guys later. Move. Because Corvettes are better. My Summit trip turned into a family trip. Okay.
My dream car is 69.
70 is good, Mom. That's so beautiful.
You remember that car you sit in the house like that?
No.
Mr. F. Markberg.
Sales pretty going on. Got everything plus more. I'm a little mini helper today. You having fun? Is it heavy? Alright, okay, if you say so. Did you take a picture of it? I'll take a picture. I got the MSD wires, stuck the wires for the car. Also picked up spark plugs, plus several other stuff. And you may have seen the 2 5-gallon tanks. That's for the E85. They told me to bring 10 gallons of E85. So now what we gotta do is wait until. Yeah, we got everything for the car right now, for everything to go on. So to give a rundown, what the fuck are y'all doing? To give a rundown of what's about to go down, dropping the car off on Friday, and getting it back on Saturday. So it's getting headers, X pipe, and E85 in the tune, and they do before and after dynos. Hopefully I'm there for the dyno. That's gonna be the biggest thing to me. I'm gonna be very happy to see it. So last time I was at Zen Racing, I did like 373, 380 to the wheel, and it was a Mustang dyno, so you gotta factor in all the little, I forgot how much percentage it is. So I'm saying it's about like 402 to the wheel, 398 to the wheel. God forgive me, I'm not trying to boost my numbers. But my biggest thing is I want to get at least to 440. That's the goal. 445 to the wheel. Off headers, X pipe, because it's catless headers. Headers, X pipe. I got an intake on there in the tune in the 85. That's the biggest thing to me. If I get to that, then I'll be very happy. I wouldn't have any complaints. But you know, your tango is excitado, if that's how you say it. I forgot how to speak Spanish, but Pincho me huevos puntos. Archie blows, boys, Archie blows. Today is the day. Got the jugs ready. Got all the shit. I'm gonna load it into my sister's Honda so we can go fill these up. Cause I need 10 gallons of this before even going down and doing anything. These. I'm so proud of you. Today is the day. I just gotta fill these up. For a lot of you guys that are probably new to the channel or whatever, I bought headers, X-pipe, and an E85 flex fuel sensor from DXX Tuning, and I'm taking the car to Brewer Speed Racing, Brewer Speed Performance, to get it tuned and everything installed. So right now I'm actually on the hunt for E85. I've never felt like a crackhead until I was riding around, looking around for E85 more than this. Like, it's crazy. I'm on the south side of Atlanta, so it's very, very hard to actually find E85 down here because it's so like suburbish. So they don't really have flex fuel. So I'm just riding around with my head poked out, just looking at every gas station like a crackhead, looking for a yellow nozzle. So this shit's just funny, man. Because I had to take 10 gallons there. That's why you see the 10 gallon jerry can. So I had to take 10 gallons there. 10 gallons there for everything. Finally found some. We finally found some. 2 hours and 39 cents. What was lit? We lit it. We got some. It's lit. We done. Spot. I'm just put this jug in there. I don't know if I want to run 2 jugs. Who the fuck? I don't know if I want to run 2 jugs, but I'm just gonna put 1 jug back there for right now. But we gotta put all the other stuff in the car for sure. That's a definite fact. Back in there. Everything's back. That's raw. And everything. Got a C5 in there that looks fucking beautiful. It's a nice shot. It's Pro Charge, C5. It's beautiful. No, it's the C6. Base model C6. It's fucking beautiful. With power glide. Automatic. The slicks on the back. GMC truck with the, wow, this is beautiful. Got the 6th gen up there. Built cars, nice slicks. Okay, we just got, I'm gonna ask him what time it is done.
Yeah, just let me know.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna call you later.
I'm about to go back.
Alright, bye, I love you. Alright, bye. You having fun? It's a Corvette like Uncle KC's. Yeah. It's Pro Charged. So it's finally up. Finally about to head out. This will be the last time I'll see those stock cats and everything. All that is stock. This will be the last time. So we're actually about to head out now. About to head back to the city. Kenya said she says she likes the silver vets, but you guys know I have bad luck with silver cars. Come on. Boy. This hillbilly. Here we go. You building up the fucking suspense, nigga. Come on. codes. So he's got to get that. You want me to put that on the vlog? No.
Hopefully you can pull up whenever I actually about to get it work.
So his car through.
You said you gotta work Monday.
Yeah, but I get off. No, I work in the morning, but I go to class at 6:30.
Sunday evening.
Yeah, I get off at 6:30. Get out of class at 6:30. So. But yeah, this car through codes. So now, just gotta talk to his tuner and his installer. Get everything worked out. It's gonna be alright.
I figured you had to do that, man.
Find my car, bro. That's why you went all the way to fucking. Let's go. Come on.
I passed by the real Brave Stadium, not Georgia State Stadium, and I had to pass through Sandy Springs to get here anyway.
Let's go. You're not moving.
Bitch, fuck you.
Cause you sitting here.
Cause I was about to go. Now come on, lady. You in a rush to go, ain't you?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Ha! That's why I'm about to cut.
There it goes. G8. Pushing the hell out them rocks, huh? Finally here. It's nice. I don't understand how excited I am.
Hey guys, it's me. And we're about to see how loud this is about to be. And I'm scared to even stand right behind, right here. Alright. Now? Without me? Okay guys, so we're about to do a test and I think I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna regret it. I'm scared.
Oh my fuck! I'm never selling this shit. Never!
Well, that's his reaction out of this. That sound beautiful.
That sound good.
Yeah. It's not like annoying loud.
Yeah, in the cabin it's not annoying like
Are you crying? Are you crying? He's so happy. Okay. Wait.
valves are closed completely. So that's it with the valves closed. It sounds like stock. That's open. Fuck yeah.
Of course you are.
drone that it had before. It doesn't sound any different on the inside on the cabin. Look, I can down. It sounds